Hello friends, again that is the part of 5 of allegation. Okay, before coming in this lecture you must just complete the previous lecture. Okay, then your concept it will clear. Okay, these all questions it has come in your exam, so we are only solving the important question that has come in your previous year. The first question is, a trader has 50 kg of rice. Okay, he has 50 kg of rice, a part of which he sells, one part, I don't know the part, a part of which he sells at 14%. Okay, one part is 14% profit, means plus, and rest part 6% loss. 6% loss means minus. On the wholesale he lost 4%. Wholesale he lost 4%. Mean is equal to minus 4% loss. What is the quantity to sold at 14% profit and that 6% loss? Now he is asking, what is the quantity sold at 14% profit and that at 6% loss? Very simple. We will use our method. The first part is 14, then this 6 is minus, this is positive, the mean value is minus 4, then this is the cheaper, this is the dearer. So okay, no problem. So we will solve. This is 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, and this is 4 minus 6 actually. Okay, so and this is 14 minus 4, yani ki both will add, so this is 18. So your ratio is 2:18, means 1:9. Your ratio it is 1:9. Okay, now so we can say the ratio of quantity sold at 14% profit and 6% loss is 1:9. Now quantity sold at 14% profit is equal to your total quantity is 50 kg. Okay, and your ratio, that is 1:9, so 1 plus 9, and you have to find quantity sold at 14% profit. He is asking that what is the quantity he has sold at 14% profit. So he is asking the quantity. So total ratio is 1:9. 1:9 means in the 50 kg, the first quantity is the 1 part and the second quantity is the 9 part. Okay, so now we are finding the quantity. What is the amount? So overall this is 50, and this we have to add this 1 plus 9, and we are finding this one part. So you will multiply by 1. If you will multiply, then you will get the result. Okay, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 is equal to 5 kg. Okay, so that is the 5 kg. Similarly, you can find the loss one. Okay, so quantity of this is equal to total 50 upon 1 plus 9, and its part is 9. Okay, if you will solve this, then you will get the result. Now next question, a vessel of 80 liter is filled with milk and water. Now you have one vessel, so it has 80 liter. Okay, it has 80 liter. Okay, filled with water, and here milk plus water in this vessel. 70% of milk and 30% of water is taken out of the vessel. You have removed something, 70% and 30% you have removed, minus. So water you have removed. It is found that the vessel is vacated by 55%. Okay, now means you have vacated total 55% now. Okay, find the initial quantity of the milk and water, he is asking. So whenever you have such type of problem, so this is very simple. At first you have to write the milk here and you have to write the water here. So your milk, that is 70%, sorry, this is 70% and this is 30%. Overall that is 55. So you can find the this value. So this 70 minus 55, this is 15%, and 55 minus 30, this is 25%. So your ratio, it is 25 upon 15. So 25 upon 15. So your ratio is 5:3. So your ratio is 5:3. So now you have to find the quantity. You have to find, I will use another paper to clear it. I don't have so much space. Okay, I will use here. Okay, so we have 5:3. Okay, so we have to find this quantity of milk. Quantity, quantity of milk is equal to total overall is 80. Okay, out of 80, 5 plus 3, and the part of milk is 5 into 5. Okay, that is, if you calculate 5 plus 8, and this is 50 liter. Now quantity of water is equal to total is 80, 5 plus 3, and part of water is 3. So if you solve, then you will get this is 30 liter. Also you can find overall is 80 liter and 50 liter is here. So 80 minus 50 is equal to 30. So we have got the solution. Okay. So now the next question. The next question is, it is also interesting question. It has come many times in your exam. And here he has asked rupees. You have rupees 1500 is invested in two such parts. You have total money is 1500 and you have invested in two parts. If one part invested 6% and other part is 5%, okay, and total investment in 1 year of the firm investment is rupees 85, how much is invested at 5%? He is asking here how much money he has invested here. Okay, in the overall investment he has got total 85. Okay, 85 total interest he has got 85 rupees. So before coming in this lecture, you must go in the previous lecture. Okay, so then it will clear. So I will use by simple method to solve such type of problem. So at first you have 6% and second one is 5%. Okay, so I will use one extra paper because it is not possible to solve this problem because here we do not have so much space. So I will use another paper. Okay, now you have, if we will write here, if the whole money, 1 minute. Okay, if the whole money is invested at 6%, okay, the annual income is 6%. Annual income is 6% of rupees 1500. So that is 6% means this is rupees 90. Okay, now if the whole money is invested at 5%, so in this condition the annual income is 5%, okay, of rupees 1500, that will be 75. You can calculate, the 5% of 1500. So now, but real income is equal to 85. He has got the total interest, that is 85. Okay, so we will use the alligation method. We are using the alligation method. We have written here this question, the 6% and 5%. So your 6% we have got 90, and here we have got 75. This is the 1500. 6% of 1500, that is 90, and 5% of this is equal to 75 rupees. So the mean price, that is 85, already he has given us. He has got this profit. Okay, and so if you subtract, if you use the alligation method, then that will be 10, and after using the alligation method, this is 5. So 10:5, this is 2:1. So now our task to find the collection. So now, so to solve this, I will use again this paper because there is no space. Okay, sorry for that. So your money invested at 5% is equal to 1/3 into 1500. Why? Because of 2:1 means 1500. The 2 part of 1500 is here, and 1 part of 1500 is here. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and the 1 part invested money in 5% means this part is 1. Okay, so 1/3 into 1500. So your value, it is 500. Okay, so this money is 500. Same question he has asked, how much money he has invested at 5%. So here he has invested total 500 rupees. Now this is also same question. Again he has asked the same question. Okay, here a mixture of 40 liter. You have a mixture of 40 liter. Okay, this is 40 liter of milk and water contain 10% water. Okay, that is the mixture of 40 liter and 10% water. 10% water means 40 into 10 upon 100. So you can calculate, that's in 4 liter. 4 liter water. There is 4 liter water, and 40 minus 4 is equal to 36 liter. There is a milk. Okay, this is milk and this is water. Okay, how much water must be added? Now you want to add something here. Okay, must be added to make 20% water in the new mixer. You have to add something. So total number of water that in new mixer is 20%. Before there was total number of 10% water in that mixture. So again we will use our method. Okay, we are writing here 10%. Before it was 10%, and you are mixing the water, that is 100%. There is no, that is the pure water. Okay, so after adding your 100% water in that mixer, so it will be 20%. Okay, that is the mean. And if you are using alligation method, then 20 minus 10 is equal to 10%, and 100 minus 20 is equal to 80%. So your ratio, it will become 80:10. It means that 8:1. So your ratio is 8:1. So in this question, the two mixture should be added in a ratio of 8:1. Okay, that is for every 8 liter of first mixture, 1 liter of water should be added. It means that 8 part. Okay, 8 part, and this is the 1 part, that is the pure water of 1 part in that mixture, and 8 part of such this mixture. This is the mixture, and this is the pure water. This is the pure water, that is the mixture. So in that mixture, 8 part is the mixture and 1 part is the pure. Okay, pure water. So we have to find water in new mixture. How much water must be added? So we have to find the pure part. We have to find the pure part. You must just understand what we want to teach you. So if we are finding the pure part, so total is 40. Your total is 40. Your total is 40 and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. This is your ratio, and we are finding this pure part. We are finding this pure part. I think that you understand what we want to just teach you. Okay. So, but you have to understand one thing again. So for every 8 liter of first mixture, for every 8 liter of first mixture and 1 liter of water should be added. So therefore, for 40 liter of first mixture means 40 upon 8 into 1. Total is 40 upon 8. Why we are writing here? We will not write 8 plus 1. Okay, we will write 8. 8 is the mixture, because here we are using the water. Sorry, this is 8. So why we are writing? We are not adding this 8 plus 1 because in this mixer he is asking how much water must be added to make 20% water in a new mixture. So in that mixture, that is the part of mixture. This is the part of mixture. 8 is the part of mixture in 40 liter, and you are just thinking about this one. What is the quantity of this pure water? Okay, so 40 upon 8 into 1. So it will be 5 liter. If you will add 5 liter pure water, so after then this your 10%, it will become to 20%. I think that you understand. So in this condition, if you will add 5 liter water in this 40 liter, so 40 plus 5 is equal to 45 liter. Now you can think in 45 liter, how much water and how much milk is there. Now you can think how much water and how much milk is there. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Total water is 9 liter pure water. Total